Hi, let me show you something. I have displayed some of the example of Google My Business profile which are ranking at the top of the page regardless of lesser amount of reviews. Most business owners think more reviews is equal to more business or a higher ranking on Google. But that's not true because there are many other factors as well which are responsible for getting higher ranking on Google. Hi, myself Jignesh and I am working in this industry since 7 months and I have ranked 4 businesses in just a couple of months. So first let me explain you why it's important to rank your business profile on the Google. So currently I am working with one plumbing company of London. Initially, we started ranking their website by targeting keywords, SEO, posting weekly blog posts, and at one point we were ranked at the top of the Google in some areas of London. But we ended up with very few clients and 10 to 0 clients. We were also getting around 1200 monthly visits, but the problem was they all were from different cities and which couldn't be our potential customers. And we realized our mistake, and let me share it with you what I found and what is the solution for this problem if you are also facing the same. So first was getting better rank on Google Maps. So imagine you want any local service or wanna visit any local shop. Where do you first search? It's obvious, right? On Google Maps. And in case if you sometime just type on Google, top 3 businesses from Google Maps get popped up. I guess till now you might be agreed on how important it's to rank your Google My Business profile. So now let's dive in. How can you actually get better rank of your GMB profile? So let's start from basics. Include all the categories of your business and add at least 30 services in your profile. Don't worry, you can get help from some of the tools. You can download this extension called GMB Everywhere. Now search your niche on Google Maps. You will see all the businesses which are ranking in your area. Open this extension, copy all these categories and paste it in your profile. And for services, you can just copy this prompt and give it to the ChatGPT. Second factor which I observed is structure of your website. Google also verify your website while crawling. So if your details fail to match with your GMB profile, then it can also affect your rankings. So here is how you can fix it. So let's start with homepage. Copy your primary category that you have added in your profile and paste it in H1 tag and title tag of your homepage with your city name. So for example, plumbing in New York. And add all these secondary categories in H2 tag with city name and for example, drainage service in New York. These were some of the changes that you can do it in your profile that can boost your rankings on Google. So if you want more videos like this, so please subscribe to my channel, and that's for today. See you in the next video.